Hello, all. This is Dr. Dave Mastak talking to you about reciprocity.com. And in this video, I'm going to show you how do you actually request a review once you've done your test review. So if you remember from the previous videos, you had to do several test reviews. So you had to do two, and they had to be approved from the admin staff right now, which is me. And what you have to do is just make sure that you do those two. And the reason why we do those, once again, is to make sure that you are learning what the process is on the platform, but then as well, you are an actual real person that's giving it your all, right? So if you're not doing a really good job, then it's likely that you're not going to get approved because there's other people that are relying on your work. And so we want to make sure that it is, at least at the beginning, that you're doing your job. And then after that, what's going to happen is that the writers will give you feedback, and you're going to hopefully learn from that. And you're going to have to get higher ratings. So you're going to have to maintain a high enough rating in order to get to convert your credits into actual cash on the platform. So in order to request a job, once you've done your test reviews, it's the exact same way as what you were doing for the test reviews, right? So you can actually look at your old feedback from the test reviews. Once again, you just click on that and see what you've done and how you can improve. I just wrote on this one, very good job. And you know that eventually we'll start building some more stuff in there in terms of how you can improve. But once you've done those two test reviews, what you do is you go to request a job, click it, and then you'll get this thing. It'll pop up. It'll say, "Are you sure you actually want to do this?" And then you'll get 80% of the revenue that you earn on each job. Now that might change depending on what's happening with the platform and all that kind of stuff. I don't know at this moment, but that's currently what we're offering on the platform. So then you want to click OK. If you hit cancel, nothing's going to happen. You're not going to request, but this is going to get somebody else's document on there. And here you see it'll say what the document is that somebody needs work on, and you can skip it if you want, or you can accept the job right here. But here's the cool thing too is, so it tells you how many words it is, the current readability score that's based on the Flesh Reading E score, and then the number of credits that you're going to earn from that. So 56 right now. And you can go here and you can see, you know, what the document is. So I clicked on that tile, and you can see exactly what the document is. It gives you all the information, tells you number of words, the readability score, number of lines, sentences. We'll probably add some more statistics and stuff like that on there just to help you out in how long it's been waiting in the queue, and as well as what the current price is for that particular paper. And so you can download it right here if you want to, and you can just click download and make the changes, or you can download it right here and accept the job, right? So I'm going to accept, and I can download it right here. And again, you can click this tile and you can get that information, the same information, or I can download it right here and make the changes. So I'm going to open that up. And you're going to have to use a word processor for this. And so I'm using Google Chrome. You can use that. It's completely free. If you haven't done that, you can use MS Word. It's an MS Word document. So you can tell by the docx. So it's an MS Word, and then you just make the changes. And then what you can do is upload those changes back to here. You can click upload, or you can go back and click on that. I apologize. You can click upload, and you just click upload. It'll take you to the file, and you know, I'll just add a random document in there to show you what's going to happen. It's not the actual real document. And then you can see all the different changes, right? So it'll tell you, give you a little, you know, a little information that tells you what's currently going on. And it'll tell you the number of changes. So notice here that this is really dark green. That means that you've done a very good review. If it's red, it means that you have to make more changes. It tells you the number of changes that have been made. Readability score now the original readability score. Now it's gotten worse, but that's okay. Sometimes you might get worse and sometimes you might get better depending on what you're actually writing on there. But, we want to keep track of that just to make sure that you're doing a good job. We might try to come up with a better statistics that actually would get a little bit better. Tells you the number of lines and the sentences, and then you can write your comments, and then you can either submit right here, click submit the comment, or you can, you have to click submit and then you can proceed. All right, so hopefully this is easy enough for you to understand, and then you can upload your document. So you don't want to stop here, right? So you want to submit the document, and I'm not going to go through with this. So you can hit OK, and then you can hit send review right here, and that's it. So hopefully this makes a lot of sense, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.